boss fired me, so I ruined his life. I was the top performer at my company for 7 years. One day, my boss called me into his office. I'm sorry, but we have to let you go. When I asked why, he said, your mother's funeral took too much time off. My mom had just died of cancer 3 weeks ago. I was speechless. He continued, we've already hired your replacement. Clean out your desk by lunch. As I packed my things, my coworkers avoided eye contact. That night, I discovered my company laptop still had access to all file systems. What my boss didn't know was that I had documented every shady business practice he'd made me do over the years, falsifying reports, hiding losses, even deleting customer complaints. Not because I wanted to, because he threatened my job if I didn't. I spent the night organizing everything into a detailed report. I didn't send it to HR, they were his puppets. Instead, I sent it directly to our biggest client, the regulatory board, and the company's investors. Then, I deleted all traces of my access. 2 days later, the company stock plummeted 60%. A week later, my boss was escorted out by security. Yesterday, I got a call from the new CEO offering me my job back with a promotion and a raise. I took it, but requested one condition, that my first official act would be to implement a proper bereavement policy. Sometimes the best revenge isn't just watching someone fall, it's rebuilding something better from the ashes they left behind.